Tomorrow's World 2022. Okay, class, we have a fire drill tomorrow. No, I really hate fire drills so much. Okay, class dismissed. I'm scared. I don't want to do the fire drill. Hey, I have an idea. I am going to sneak into the school and break the fire drill. I'm bringing my dad's hammer. Dun dun! Michael Anderson, report to my office immediately. Michael, a security camera caught you in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. breaking the fire alarms. Well, I'm sorry, God. I just really hate fire alarms and they're too annoying for me. Michael, they have to be in there for a reason. Because if the fire alarms were there, the whole school could have burned down and everyone could have get killed and injured. You're grounded for 3 weeks. And your parents have to pay a $1,000 fine from the damage you did to the school. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.